People, remember the video we made the last time? Somebody all the way in China message. Yeah, talk to your fans. What do you want them to know about you? Tell them about you, where you come from.
Them Sean was at Jamaica.
Alright.
And it's a Pittsburgh road.
Alright.
In the middle of the 30, in front of the cemetery, where they call it Chinese cemetery. And only one must have So, what are you going to want?
What are your plans for the weekend?
Plans for the weekend? Well, tomorrow, 31st. Monday the 1st. We can't plan for Monday, we only can't plan for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm just going to eat some rice and peas and relax. Monday is a new month and a new day, so tomorrow we have to plan that.
True. So what about the wife? What do you have planned for Valentine's Day, you and the wife?
No, you nobody no Valentine's. I can't trust no woman right now.
So you're not going to spend Valentine's with nobody?
No. Valentine is Saint Valentine. Saint Valentine is a batty man. So I'm not see reason I celebrate.
Oh, is that true? I didn't know that.
Oh, that's why I'm not celebrate Valentine.
So you're going to spend Valentine's Day by yourself?
Valentine is a batty man. I'm going to celebrate him there and he's not a batty man. That look bad for me.
I never knew that. I never knew that.
Well, I know now. Every day you learn something new. So today you learn something new again.
True, yes. I learned.
Valentine's. You're a man of friend, so we're going to celebrate him for.
I never know Valentine's was a saint. I thought it was just a day they made up for people to spend money. I didn't know it was named after a saint. I didn't know that.
The man named Valentine, they kill him and him, must see him and him pick me and wife and so on. But take my batty man straight. But he must have pick me and wife. Yeah, murder take place, but the type of murder will take place. And if you just bust up him one bigger than everybody else. Batty man thing that, you know, night. Why, really?
I never knew that.
So the fans, them can just keep that till the next time we meet again. We know where I'm going on the new month. But I second to last and the first month is. So there's nothing for the fans, them.
Alright. Brown man, come in the camera. Come talk to your fans. Come talk to your fans. Why do you say that? Why do you think? Why do you think you only have mainly enemies? Come in the camera, my friend. Talk to the people them. You got loose yesterday.
Hello.
You're not gonna come talk to your fans.
Oh.
So you have 2 beer for today. That's what you told me last night. You have 2 beer. 1 for him, 1 for me. So you said never. Yesterday you said today.
I do.